Alright, so a bit of an update on the wrecked tractor. Made some good progress. Nose cone has been straightened out a little bit, back in place, nice and tight. Engine's still ticking over. I've given it another high pressure clean. Wiring, as you can see, is pretty cactus. Now I had jury rigged up an older style solenoid, you can see here, that had a push button so you could bypass the need for the key to get power to the starter motor. Amazed it even worked, but it's finally conked out. You can get a replacement that goes on Massey Ferguson's, $30 off eBay. So until I fix the complete wiring loop, this is how I'm going to start it. Now it's a bit of a pain because you have to push the button in to get power to the solenoid, but because you're not engaging the starter by the contact in here, first you have to push down the starting lever to engage the gears and then press the button, and that will then make sure that you've got power starting the starter motor while the gears are engaged, which will turn over the engine and start. Two-stage system, but it is a way to get around the very broken wiring on this tractor. New steering box, new fuel tank, new steering wheel. Wheels are off, got to get some new tyres for it. On the back end, the homemade lifting arms have been swapped out. I've got proper Fordson lifting arms. You can see the bottom of the adjustable one there. Still working on a fix for the broken PTO shaft. I think I'm going to get one of the adapters to go over the top of it. Short-term fix. I've got a little bit of rotten here. Still structural and holding, so I'll probably just get some tin work to cover this, hold it in place. Around here, I've had some good work here. The fuel system was pretty much dead, it wasn't working, so I ended up having to bypass into this line here. What it was is the gasket in here had completely disintegrated, so that's where I was getting air in. So I replaced the gasket in there, cleaned out the filters. I'm getting good lift now. Now the only thing I'm missing is the complete fuel pipe from the bottom of the fuel tank. As you can see there, mess of cabling. I've jury rigged up a little bit of fuel hose. It's working for me. Yeah, next thing to replace is the gasket in here. But the lift arms aren't seized. I've now got steering. Front steering's been fixed up. Making progress. Big thing still to go. Replace the head gasket. Replace the seal in here. Replace these seals in here. That's the big one for the engine. Once the head gasket's been replaced, I'll be a lot happier. And then more so repairing the back end and new tyres. So good progress. It actually now looks like a Fordson with the fuel tank and steering box replaced, but progress. Alright, I'll keep you updated. This has been a fun one to do up, and see you on the next one.